Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you like, and post down below. It looks like a foggy, rainy day. Right now, it's just holding and I feel the drops hitting. So about a month ago, I got offered and never received a Q-Nut motorcycle e-bike. Vintage looking motorcycle. Man, it looked awesome. So I went and I got myself an Insta360 1X5 so we could do more reviews with things like so. I was also offered a scooter that did 56 miles per hour and I haven't heard back. So I don't give up hope on these things. I don't. They'll come one day. I've been doing this for 20 years and more, sharing my fun in a how-to style. And I get my point across and I teach you nice and slow. I heard it all. Yes, I did. And I probably showed you it all as well. Don't you just like when things are lit up and they look awesome? Oh, let me go the other way. Sometimes one way looks better than the other. And that's what I do, the unconventional way. I try to teach one, see one, do one. Did I say that right? See one, do one, teach one. That's how we do it. It's quite all right. I understand your criticism, but yet you even make a word or comment or say that you did. But it's always every single one, and it's always somebody the same or different. It is what it is, and they live in their own little world. And the place to share that was over here, not you. Well, I am going to turn you off. And when I turn you off, do you hear me continue talking? I hope you do. Sometimes it'd be nice if we see a camera that also still continues with the audio gain, so we know that we got sound going. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna shut it off, meaning stop the video with the shutter, and then start you up, because there's no sunrise shot. As we ride along, we'll get to our destination, point A, and then we'll turn around for point B. We'll head back to point A another time. But it goes like we go from point A to point B and back to point A, because I said it backwards again. I should be holding you this way for the reasons of, because the wind is coming across the back of the camera, going that way. Oh no, look at the sailboats. Which way they facing? All right, this is interesting. The style of the car and what they did to it. Anything different that you see? I'm trying to figure out the word. Medusa. What the other side looks like. Now you do the outside like that, wouldn't you want to do the inside, something a little different? A close-up look at the screen, the film of the car. They did a nice job all around. I kind of like that. It's different. I seen a car like that when it first came out. Man, I remember that. I did say that story before. And I do have it on the video, the International Car Show, years ago. Yes, indeed, man. An inch bigger than the original. I like the ironwork. It's pretty. The old house, New Orleans style. And this house as well. Very nice indeed. We're going to enter the park a little bit differently over here. And we'll go this way, and they never replaced or fixed the book thing. How does the beach look to you today? Nice and clean. Now it's nice and quiet, and I'm talking in a nice loud voice, and I'm only about 4 feet, 5 feet from the camera, and not gonna work trying to get the sound of your voice to the camera, but any other type of noise rarely picks up louder than you. And that's where an external microphone from DJI works, unless you want your own external with the USB-C plugged in and your connections. So I'm gonna turn my mic back on and wait for it to connect, and it gave me the record buzz telling me that I'm good to go. I really don't have to go to the front and see. Sorry if it clicks against my shirt and whatnot. So I now don't have to yell to the camera. And second part of the video is not going to be with external audio and the Ace Pro 2, because that's what I have here. I wanted to show you that I could ride with audio external and use it as is, holding the camera out like so, doing my video. And sure enough, we could do the same here, that audio internal is good enough. I believe I'm set up on a voice enhancement, something that DJI don't have. Having it all, grabbing the wrong camera and gear, it's going to be issues when you got too much. So pick your gear accordingly to what you use and like. And there's no sun today, overcast, foul, and hopefully the latest firmware v0104.0810 is working out for everybody. It seems that everybody has relaxed on the latest firmwares out there on the market that I see, that I don't see out there. And they're waiting for something new. A DJI Osmo Action 6, a new Nano, a new Action 2 coming out, a new DJI Mic 3, a new drone. A lot's gonna be happening. Summer's coming, summer's here, and here we are with new gear. I was definitely on voice enhancement, and I am on wind reduction. Insta360, if you're listening, please put some color so we know exactly what we're on. I thought maybe I'm on the wrong setting and I can't find my audio settings of stereo, wind reduction, and voice enhancement because it's so dark. It looks like it's grayed out. Why do we have colors like that where we know gray is disabled? So I'm on stereo, nice and quiet, and the front of the camera is always towards me, as you can hear the wind hitting the back of the camera to the front, and not a ripple to be heard. I'm on stereo in the distance so you can hear me move my bike out of the way, nice and safe, and I'll come to the other side talking, get an idea, be in the shot. Hello, hello, goodbye, goodbye, hello, goodbye. I don't have headsets on. I don't know what the camera's hearing. I don't know if you could put headsets on to hear what the camera's hearing with internal, but you could do that with external. I'm on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the color profile like a natural. And I figure I use that right at the moment. There is one called Vintage, and Vintage will give you that look. I want a retrofit They got a retrofit look. Some people are using that. I know, I'm not that type of old-fashioned, but I may change it. I don't want to be this far from the camera because I don't know how I sound in stereo. This is vintage. How do I look? Does it give you a one of those colors like old 1970s TV show channel and all? The French Connection, Saturday Night Live, Starsky and Hutch, and so forth. I did my highlight talk, I did my share, did my fun. And I don't want to drop my hat. Get it on my head where it belongs. Let me put you down so I could buckle up correctly. I got this Ulanzi MT09 pole. And yeah, man, it does a great job. I got 2 of them. And it's not a shorty, but does its job. So let's get on the bike, turn the lights on that we need to turn on. I like to be seen. And off we go. Out of here. See you later. You gotta come along with me. I can't leave you behind. Yeah, man, you know, I didn't bring my remote, my Insta-Air mic. I just brought you with me. And it's all natural sounds. I don't need to have something so loud to the camera being far away. And here we go, off we go. So let's get on out of here, do what we have to do. Am I heading out the right way? Can I turn? Oh, the gates are open nice and wide over here, but I gotta watch for the cars that come on in. How do we head in? We're gonna head out the same way as we head in, but the opposite side. So yeah, wasn't a great day. Nasty indeed. And I got to edit some videos, which I didn't do yesterday because I did other things. And I'm pretty proud with what I did and built. Got a nice shelf up there, put my gear, looking pretty. And yeah, everything comes out just the way you want when you take your time doing things, right? I got my new lens kit from Insta360. And man, did it go on so easy. And I'm wondering if the Insta360 X4, X3 lens only will fit the X5, that the ring of the X5 basically holds it into place, suctions it into place. And if that's true, that the X4, X3 lens only that you could get dirt cheap fits it, then I know I could buy a couple and have it as a spare and put it all away for the next time. If ever that lens gets scratched, then keeping the scratched one as a spare. So we're finishing our vlog up. We're done for the day. Well, I am Fish, and I started out with the DJI, ended up with the Insta360, had the mic on and off, and gave a talk. I hope you enjoyed today's talk. I will catch you on the next one. It's time for us to get on out of here and go through the tunnel of yellow. I'll see you on the next one.